Welcome to today's video. So today's question is, an iron box is available for rupees 2500 cash or rupees 520 cash down payments followed by 4 equal installments. If the rate of interest charged is 25% per annum, calculate the monthly installment. So here you are asked to find out the monthly installment. So how it is working? An iron box is available for rupees 2500 cash, or you have to give 520 cash down payments and then you have to go for 4 equal installments. In each month you have to give an installment amount. So 520 plus 4 equal installments. Rate of interest is also given. R is equal to 25% per annum. You have to calculate the monthly installment. So first you have to find out the principal. What is the principal? Principal is equal to 2500 minus 520. So you have to give either 2500 is the total amount or you are giving 520 cash down payment. So just like in the previous video, you have to find out the principal by subtracting 520 from 2500. So 2500 minus 520, which gives you 1980. Now what is the amount? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Here the rate of interest is automatically given. So you can go for straight away formula. So amount is equal to 1980 plus 1980 into PTR divided by 100. I is equal to PTR divided by 100. P is equal to 1980 and T is equal to 4 divided by 12. 4 months. So you will be getting 4 by 12 into rate of interest is equal to 25. So 25 divided by 100. So what you will be getting? 1980 divided by 12, which gives you 165. So your final answer will be 1980 plus 165, which will be giving you 2145. So you got the final amount also. What you have to find out? You have to find out the monthly installment. So let X be the monthly installment. Okay. Now we are taking X as the monthly installment. So what you will be getting? For the first month you will be paying X plus the interest for the remaining 3 months. So what will be the interest for the remaining 3 months? It will be X into 3 by 12 into 25 by 100. So this will be the interest for the remaining 3 months. And for the second month you will be paying the monthly installment plus the interest for the remaining 2 months. So X plus X into 2 by 12 into 25 by 100. And for the third month you will be paying monthly installment plus interest of the remaining 1 month. So X into 1 by 12 into 25 by 100. And finally in the fourth month you will be paying the fourth installment X, and so the total is 2145. So what you will be getting? All the 4 X's you will be getting 4X. So 4X plus, and this 25 by 100 can be taken in common. So what you will be getting? 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. So 4x plus 1 by 4 into this term will be x by 4. So x by 4 plus, and this term will be x by 6. And this term will be x by 12 is equal to 2145. So how much it will come? So 4x plus, here the denominator will be 12. 12 is the LCM. So it will be 3x plus 2x plus x, which will be giving you 6x. So you will be getting like 4x plus x by 8 is equal to 2145. So it will be 33x by 8 is equal to 2145, or x is equal to 2145 into 8 divided by 33, which will be giving you 520. So your answer will be 520 is the monthly installment that you have to give. Now let's go to the second question. Ramesh purchases a Bluetooth speaker of rupees 2400 cash or for rupees 1000 cash down payment and 2 monthly installments of rupees 800 each. Find the rate of interest. So here also a similar kind of question. You are having 2400 cash, or you have to give rupees 1000 cash down payment and the monthly installment is given as rupees 800 each, and you have to find the rate of interest. So what is the principal? The principal will be equal to 2400 minus 1000. You have to give straight away 2400 or you have to give 1000 cash down payment. So your principal will be 2400 minus 1000, which is 1400. Now you are having two formulas for finding the amount. So amount is equal to principal plus interest. So which will be giving you 1400 plus 1400 into 2 by 12 into R by 100. What is the second formula for finding the amount? It will be on the basis of the monthly installment X. So here the monthly installment is given as 800. So you can straight away write 800 plus the first month you have to pay 800 plus the interest for the second month, which will be 800 plus 800 into R by 100 into 1 by 12. And the second month you have to pay 800 rupees only. You need not pay the interest. First month you have to pay the monthly installment plus interest for the remaining 1 month, and second month you have to pay the monthly installment alone. So you will be getting 800 plus 800 into R by 100 into 1 by 12 plus 800. So what you will be getting? 1400 plus 7 by 3 R is equal to 800 plus 800, which gives you 1600 plus 3 by 2 by 3 R. 1600 plus 2 by 3 R, which will be giving you 1600 minus 1400 is equal to 200 is equal to 5 by 3 R. So that will be giving you R is equal to 200 into 3 divided by 5, which gives you 120. So 120% is the rate of interest. And there is one more method for doing these kind of questions. It will be on the basis of 1 month equivalent sum. So we can see 1 month equivalent sum in the coming videos. So wait for our videos. Thank you for watching.